Guys, Tim here with Tim's World, and this will be part 7 of the new lap steel guitar build. And I got my keys in, my Grover tuning keys, and so I've laid out where to put them, where they'll go, where I got to drill the holes, and took all this stuff off. So, but before I do that, I've got my vise set up over here, and to drill the holes in the guitar for the tuning keys, I need to take the vise back off. So while I got the vise on here, figure I'm going to do everything else I need to do with the vise before I do that. So what I got going on now, well, I've got the let's see, the bridge and the nut to mount, so I need to drill some holes in that, mounting holes. And then I'm going to attempt to make my own bender out of this block. This will be the base for it, and I'm going to, if this works all right, my idea here, I might possibly start selling them. I don't know. Just a thought, or at least make them for myself if nobody wants to buy them. But to buy a bender, I've seen some for $224. I've seen the Duesenberg is like, I think like $370 some dollars, something like that. Don't quote me on that. I figure if I built these and made them by hand, I could sell them cheaper than both of them. So we'll see. I don't know how long it's going to take me to carve this out. But anyway, that's what I got going on, and show you a little bit more later. Called plunge cutting. It's a way to rough stuff out pretty quick. Okay guys, I wanted to put a hole for my pen before I cut all this out. It'll just make it easier. Well, that's what I'm getting ready to do now. Okay. Ouch. Okay. That should be alright. Handle's kind of hard to deal with because I ain't got no adjustment on it, no quick adjustment, and it wants to come unscrewed all the time. I've been meaning to order one of them 3-way handles. Let me pour a little oil in there. Oh. I hate using the oil too much, but sometimes when you drill holes, you have to. The aluminum's kind of gummy. Oh, come on. There we go. Made it through. Alright, now the next thing I'll ream it to size. Yeah, I've got it roughed out. Before I put the hole in, I took it out and I checked it here for flatness to see if it had any rock to it. It was fairly pretty good and flat, so I didn't face the surface here. Wasn't any need for it. I figured if it bowed on me a little bit, I would just take a pass on that surface and straighten it up, but I didn't have to do that. So it's all roughed out now, time to finish it. Okay guys, the base of the bender is 100% machined, and next I have to put the holes in here for the strings. So I'll take it off, deburr it all, and then do that. Okay guys, I just finished this up. It's got holes in it for the strings. There's my bridge. There's my nut. I've got them mounted. And it was a little bit of work there involved, but I got it. So next thing to do will be drill the holes for the tuning keys. That's probably all that's going to be on this video. I don't want to make them too long. They take too long to upload. So tired. And it's been raining. It's been storming like crazy outside. So this is all I'm going to put on this video. So God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.